There is something magnetic about these wild places. Maybe it's the silence, or the space, or maybe it's just because a part of me only exists out here.
Am I escaping or returning? Hello everyone, I am René Baars. Welcome, and I'd love for you to join me on my South American exploration. I used to think I came to nature to get away, to chase adventure, to clear my head. But it's more than that.
I don't think this is the end of it, but I'm at a mirador, so let's have a look. Nature offers more than just freedom, it also offers honesty.
Quiet, raw and real. Out here there's nothing to perform, no one to impress.
Getting eaten alive in this forest.
Just stillness, presence. The forest doesn't care who I am, and in that indifference I find peace. Nature strips away what doesn't matter. There's no pretending, no layers to maintain. Even the hard parts, the heat, the mosquitoes, the silence, they become teachers. They show me strength I forgot I have. They remind me to be still, to be small.
And in that smallness I feel deeply connected. Connected with nature, connected with myself.
By 2022, I had mentally run myself into the ground. Work had been relentless, and every day felt like wading through fog. I knew that lying on the couch, numbing out with screens and distractions wouldn't fix anything. It would only let the exhaustion settle deeper. So I made a decision. I needed a real break. I went to Norway, seeking something different. Silence, fresh air, movement. Hiking through fjords and pine forests, feeling my lungs fill with cold, clean air. Something shifted. The rhythm of walking, climbing, and balancing on rocky paths did more than tire my body. It cleared my mind. I noticed I was quicker on my feet, sharper in thought, more present than I had been in months. Nature had a way of recalibrating me. It wasn't just a vacation, it was a reminder that healing comes from motion, not stagnation. And sometimes the simplest step, one foot in front of the other, can be the reset you didn't know you needed.
Nature clears my mind like nothing else. No distractions, no expectations.
Here I can finally hear myself think. I can just be. Everything slows, and I remember this moment is enough. I don't need to chase anything. So why do I keep coming back? Because nature returns me to myself. It doesn't offer comfort, it offers truth. And in that truth I find clarity, beauty, and something like peace.
Cruising through nature on a dirt road. The windows open to hear the birds sing. Love that. Maybe I'm not getting away after all. Maybe I'm getting home.